Here's Ariana with her hiccups that she gets all the time. Hey, Peanut. Oh, I know. What do you think of those hiccups? Yeah. Yeah, is that right? Oh. Oh, you poor little girl. I probably get these about 6 times a day. They just won't go away. Peanut, look at the camera. Yeah. Ah, there's kind of a smile.